Investigators are still trying to determine the cause of a fire that destroyed a warehouse at the Fesco gas station in Lacovia, St. Elizabeth Saturday night. No one was injured and the gas station was spared. As Giovanni Dennis reports, this is the second major fire at a Fesco gas station since 2020.
Just about 5 minutes ago. Just about 5 minutes.
Mere moments after this fire broke out, residents and our news team converged on the scene. It's shortly after 10 p.m. Saturday night at the warehouse at the back of the Fesco gas station in Lacovia. This fire extinguisher used by the lone employee present at the time was not enough. A next door neighbor was frightened by the heat.
I look over the house, we see a big fire. So when we do realize and look, we see a back at the gas station. And when we come out and look good, we will already end up big fire.
So you live next door to your friend?
Yeah, friend. We couldn't leave when we see.
The fire destroyed everything in the warehouse.
2 units were dispatched as part of our response protocol, one from Black River and the other from Santa Cruz. At approximately 10:45, the team arrived on location and discovered a building at the rear of the gas station, fully involved, and they quickly got into operation. After working for about 10 to 15 minutes, they were able to bring the fire under control.
Firefighters had to use a mixture of water and foam to extinguish the blaze, as oil-based car products were among the items stored.
The gas station itself was not affected. It is a warehouse that was being used to store merchandise for their mini-mart, and so all of the content within that warehouse would have been destroyed. At this time, we have not ascertained the extent of the losses. That is still under investigation, as well as we are investigating the cause of this fire. Thankfully, there were no injuries reported.
In February 2020, 59-year-old Daniel Farquharson died from injuries sustained in a fire at Heaven's Fesco gas station in Mandeville, Manchester. 6 other people were injured in the tragedy, which left 3 with third-degree burns and the other 3, including a 6-year-old child, with minor injuries. Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.